Topping today's health headlines, a recent study shows kidney stones may be increasing in both men and women in the U.S. Young women ages 18 to 39 had the highest increase in cases from 1984 to 2012. Kidney stones are relatively common and affect around 10% of people at some point in their lives. They are painful and can cause renal colic that comes in waves and spreads from the lower back to the inner thigh. Want to be happy and successful? Try compassion. A study shows if you're looking for ways to be happier and make deeper connections with the people in your life, compassion goes a long way. Researchers say compassionate people tend to be more forgiving of others and have a strong sense of life purpose. And another Happy Meal makeover is coming to a McDonald's near you. Cheeseburgers will be eliminated by the year 2022, but parents can make a special request for them. Hamburgers and chicken nuggets will be the main options now. The fast food giant is trying to lower calories from saturated fat and sugar by adding things like downsized fries, fruit, and a low-sugar chocolate milk. Each week we feature a healthcare hero, someone who makes a difference at community. This week, it's a big difference. Some might even call it a legacy. You'll probably recognize the name Leon S. Peters. It's attached to Community Regional's Burn Center as well as the rehab facility. Really, the list goes on and on. The Leon S. Peters Foundation has a long history of giving to community medical centers. His nephew, Kenneth Butch Peters, continues the goodwill today as president. Butch says his uncle had two life passions, education and healthcare. Leon S. Peters actually started as a volunteer, serving on the Board of Trustees back in the 50s when he led a fundraising campaign that helped build the 5-story building we know as Community Regional today. He then went on to start programs to help and care for families who otherwise wouldn't be able to afford treatment. Today, Leon's legacy lives on, and Butch says there are certainly no plans to slow down anytime soon.
It doesn't matter who you are. Creatures of God. And everybody gets treated equally. We try to make this the best we can for everybody concerned. It doesn't matter who you are, and that's why you see the different portions of the hospital. I'm quite sure there's going to be a lot more down the road.
The Leon S. Peters Foundation gives through the Community Medical Foundation to help families through all stages of life. If you'd like to give or become a donor investor, check out communitymedical.org/foundation. If you're looking for a new job, Community Medical Centers is hiring. To search current full-time and part-time job opportunities available, visit jobs.communitymedical.org and apply today. Coming up on Medwatch today, one very special couple giving their time to Terry's house, how they're offering spiritual support to those in need. And a better way of eating for a better you. Advice on how to follow a clean diet when we go in the kitchen.
My name is Greg Simpson, Associate Professor of Dermatology at UCSF Fresno, and this is my health tip. It's important to wear sunscreen regardless of the time of the year for a number of reasons. Number one, to prevent skin cancer. Number two, to help moisturize your skin. And number three, to prevent premature aging. Thank you.